Hi, my seedy friends. Today we're going to talk about seed germination and doing germination testing. Let me turn the camera around and show you. So, germination testing of seeds is a very easy process, but it's also very important. So these, for example, are seeds that I got called German Johnson tomato seeds, and they're from '99. So clearly they're a little older. They've been kept in the freezer. They look good. All you need to do this is a slightly wet paper towel. You can see it isn't even wet enough that the entire paper towel is soaked. I just put a few drips on it and it'll eventually, leach into all of it. And you need a Ziploc baggie. Okay? Hold on. So you take the seeds, and usually you're going to want, at least 60 to 80% germination rate. Which what that means for germination testing is if you have 10 seeds and all 10 germinate, that's 100% germination. If you have 5 of them germinate, which means grow, come to life, sprout, get a seed and a little green leaf on it. If you have 5, that's a 50% germination. So couldn't be simpler to do this. So you see a few seeds on a wet paper towel, fold it over, put it inside this baggie, which I'm not going to try and do with one hand, and zip it closed. Keep it on top of your fridge. Keep it in a warm place, not necessarily a sunny window, but like your kitchen table, kitchen counter. It doesn't have to be dark, but it can't be real cold. So you don't want to put them in your basement or something like that, or outside in an unheated space. Within 3 to 10 days, you're going to periodically come back to the paper towel, pull it out. It's best if you date it and label what it is, which I will do. And you check to see if any of them have sprouted. So you're just creating like a little mini greenhouse, a perfect space, okay? So that's step 1. So after they germinate, I'm going to show you what they look like after they germinate. Because then those seeds are very usable and you can most definitely grow them out. So I want to show you some that I've done. Hold on, I'll be right back again. So I just wanted to show you real quick, properly labeled, inside the Ziploc bag. I closed it. I'm just going to leave it right here on my table. And every couple days I will check on it. I'll probably wait at least 3 or 4 days before I check it. Okay, so after the seeds sprout, it can take anywhere from 5 days to 11 days, depending on how warm it is. I literally just take that wet paper towel, I open it up, and I laid it across this soil. You see it's just a pot. I laid it across the soil with the germinated seeds, and I sprinkled it with a light coating of topsoil, potting soil, and they're all growing very happily. You can see they look pretty good. These specifically are Dad's Orange Sunset, and then I have other one over here. These are Cherokee Purple, and I did the same thing. I took the paper towel with the germinated seeds, took them out of the bag, set it on top of the soil, covered the soil with a little bit of soil. I've been keeping it misted. See, I got a little mister there. These are tomatoes that I started the conventional way by, sprinkling them in the soil and letting them grow. They're doing just as good as the ones that started in the paper towel. In fact, I think I'll have a bunch more. I'm going to have a lot of Cherokee Purple. Anyhow, this is Brenda from the Pop-Up Homestead, and I wanted to show you how to do seed germination testing. All right, take care. And ask me any questions below in the comments. I'll be happy to help.